Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? The current condition is very critical now, and this is very urgent update for all of you. What experts says about Filecoin, my brother? And this video, everything we discuss. But kindly, holder, you need to watch this video to be safe from the loss and take a very huge profit. Now, you know, my brother, ABS channel will give you guarantee to if you follow this channel, you never lost. Absolutely, my brother. 10,000, 11,000 people subscribe this channel, so that's mean, my brothers. Today are all trusting on ABS channel. So why you are not trusting? Kindly, my brother, just and only I hope if you follow ABS channel, then you will be, they will make you millionaire. Now Filecoin, my brothers, come to the point this time. Absolutely, the last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this chart is show you, my brothers, to in last 1 month, all month, my brother, Filecoin is completely lost. Now the price come to 90.96 USD dollar to 57 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, what a huge pals, very bad dumps, my brother. There is a lot of chances, so they will moving upward now. But remember, my brothers, to after fails they will take a jump. So and this is absolutely, my friend, 70% chance, so they will move upward now. So I will tell you, my brothers, to holder are doing, and those they especially very huge mistakes. So if you do this mistake, then you are completely lost. So be safe from the loss, my brother. Please don't do this mistake, and just and only, my friend, follow what ABS channel will tell you. I hope you never lost. Yes, my brother. Let's see, my brother. At the end, I will share opinion, but this time, my brother, after it fails, they will take a jump. So therefore, be remember, brothers, to after this fails, they will also take a very huge jump. Now that's mean to upcoming time, the very huge jump is coming soon. Now let's see, my brother, the second proof. The second proof is last 3 months, my brother. You can see last 3 days chart. Last 3 days chart, you can see here is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you to after this phase they will take a short jump, but again they fails down, and again they will moving up for now. So it's mean, my brother, so this time also the arrows is moving up for now, and I hope the arrows is starting moving up for now. So that's mean to upcoming time they will completely end the profit. Holders, that's completely show you, my brothers, to upcoming time, there is a 99.99% my friends chance to they will moving upward now. But just in all the, my brother, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this will be very good time for you. Invest now and be safe from the loss, and I hope they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.